Hi, my name is Earl and I'm an addict. I'm from Itemba Clinic. I am 6 months clean now. What Itemba has done for me is wonderful because clearly I couldn't have done it without Itemba. They brought me back to reality. They showed me how I ought to be or how I was without drugs, with the drugs in my life, I disappointed myself, I disappointed a lot of people around me. They taught me self-respect, they showed me our emotions, they showed me all about everything. They gave me my own trust back, you know what I'm saying? They allowed me to be myself, who I used to be, who I am, and I know now, without them I couldn't have done it. So I would just like to thank God for bringing me to Itemba as well. And the Itemba staff is great, they're wonderful. That's what I can say. Thanks.